Hi, my name is Jennifer from Florida, and my husband and I purchased this 30 by 70 building from Eversafe. We use it for lawn equipment, storage, pretty much anything we can't fit in the house. Our installation crew that we had come out was awesome. They got this building up in, I would say, less than 3 days. They came early in the morning, worked till late at night, were very respectful, let us know what they were doing every step of the way. We also decided to put in this door. I know it's a little bit bigger than most doors. It's 14 tall by 20 wide. We really don't have any issue with lawn trailers, lawn mowers, campers, anything like that. It's really the best size. And we also decided to put a lean-to on the side. Most people will say, oh, I don't need it, but once you sit out there, you see the breeze come through. I'm really happy we did it. I'm really happy we did the size we did and everything we did about it. If you're looking to put a metal building on your property, I highly recommend Eversafe. I wouldn't go with anybody else.